Hi, we're going to do activity 22.3, lighting up a bulb. So here's a light bulb. I don't know if you can see that, right? It'd be nice if you could see it really up close. You can see inside the bulb there are a tiny little filament in there. That's what gets hot and lights up, creates the light. The bulb's got a glass casing. That way there's an inert gas inside the bulb. And then it's got, here we go, oh, where'd it go? Here we go. It's got a metal housing here, this sort of black tip here, and a little metallic tip at the end. Can you see that? Yeah, you should look closely at a light bulb sometime, see how it's made. Got a battery here as well. Batteries have a positive side and a negative side labeled on the battery. Right, and just because I don't have a lot of hands, I don't have enough hands for all the wires, I'm going to put this battery in this handy little case, and so I can connect wires, got black connected to the negative side and red connected to the positive side. All right, so we're going to explore, how do I have to connect this battery to this bulb to make it light up? So the first thing I'm going to do is, well, maybe what I do is take the positive side of the battery and connect it to this metal piece on the bulb, right? This bulb has this big metal piece on it. So let's try that. I don't know, can you see anything? I don't see any light coming out of that. So that's not gonna work. Maybe I gotta connect both of the wires there. Maybe I gotta connect, so some of you may have heard something about you gotta have a complete circuit to make things light up. So maybe I gotta connect the red and the black wire to the metal housing on this light bulb. You know, that's not working. Oh, it just came undone. I'll fix that. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe the positive side isn't the important side. Maybe it's just the negative side I need to connect to the light bulb. That's not working either. Right? So that's really a conundrum. How do I connect this up here to get this thing to light? Well, one thing you might think about, if you haven't already guessed the answer, you look inside here, inside that light bulb, and you see that tiny little filament inside there has these leads, these two vertical leads that are leading up to it. Probably, I don't know. So, and there is this idea of maybe you need a complete circuit. And what I remember when I look at the other back side of the bulb, there's a metal casing, but there's also this little metal tip here. So let's play around with connecting one side. I'll connect the positive lead to the metal casing, and I'm going to connect the negative lead to that little metal tip on the end there. Oh, look at that. Whoa, did you see it? Let me get this together again. There we go. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that it's lighting up. So that's the trick. I got to have one side of the battery connected to the metal casing and the other side to this metal tip. Does it matter which way I go? Can the positive go on the tip on the bottom and the negative lead? Oh, only if it's connected. Let's get this connected up. All right, and put this negative lead to the housing, and I think you can see that lights up too. So it doesn't matter which way I connect the bulb to the battery, but I do have to have it so that one lead from the battery, one lead from the battery goes to one side of the light bulb, so to speak, and the other lead from the battery goes to the other side of the light bulb, and then you get it to light up. All right.